Hello smart home buyers! My name is Aina and I'd like to show you one of our best sellers sa Elegant Homes ng DSMC. This is the Celestina! 5 bedrooms, 3 bath and toilet, and 2 carports. And this is 132 square meters of floor area, and it's seated right now on a 300 square meters of lot area. We are available in 38 different locations nationwide. So pwede po kayong pumili and we'll give you flood-free subdivisions na papatayuan ng napakagandang Celestina. Celestina has already this default 1-meter gate and fence. And makikita ninyo po that it is already concrete with metal tubular railings. Pwede nyo rin po itong taas pa if that is what you prefer. Because good news is this is a modifiable house. So you'll have architects meeting to modify what fits your preference for your family and your certain needs. Okay, pasok po tayo. Alright. So, unahin po muna natin yung ating carport, okay? So, this carport actually can accommodate even up to 3 cars, di ba? You get your SUV or sedan, and you can even extend this carport up to here para makapag-accommodate ng kahit 3 or 4 cars. So, apakalaki kasi ng lote, and that's the good thing about it is hindi kayo stuck sa size ng lote, okay? Basta meron tayong size ng lot, how big it is, and we're gonna accommodate your requests. Okay, so dito po tayo sa likod. You can see that there is this really nice design element for the partition of the cars as well. So that's quite beautiful and elegant. And of course, may faucet na rin for convenience for gardening and mga car washing. Okay, so dito po tayo. Good thing about a big lot like this, pwede nyong palagyan ng playground or a nice patio, barbecue place, or swimming pool. Ayan, so napakadami nyong pwedeng gawin. Outdoor party kung mahilig po kayo ng mga parties. Okay, dito po tayo sa likod. Okay, meron din po kayong default po na service area. So you can have this also modified kung gusto niyo. Have a cover here for your outdoor cooking needs. Ayan. So napakalaki pa and marami po kayong mga options na pwede pa pong gawin. Alright. So this would be your lanai. You can put also outdoor garden set here para dito po kayo magkape-kape sa umaga or sa tanghali. Mag-reading here, and we also have access by this sliding door into the dining area of the house. Okay, dito po tayo. Wow, napakahangin sa Batangas. Lili pa rin na po ako. Nagpa-vlog pa po kami. Okay. Ito po naman is another door to the outside po. So this is an access to the kitchen naman po. Okay, let's go. So I'd like to show you the facade of the Celestina sa harap. So this design really nice kasi it has some grand windows. Ayan. Tapos ito po yung DSMC na tubular stripe railings dyan. It really adds to the elegance of your house. So before you move in, you will be given also a basic landscape. So before kayo na lang mag-move in, i-request ninyo para buhay siya pagdating ninyo. Ayan, marami po kasi kaming mga OFW na clients as well because of our hassle-free transactions po. Okay, pasok po tayo. Alright, so what I love about our elegant homes is yung kanyang mahogany door. The mahogany door is actually perfect kind of door material for Philippine weather because siyempre sa Philippines mainit, tas maulan. So this is very resistant sa mga anay, sa weather. It doesn't expand. Hindi, di ba, minsan hindi mo mabuksan dahil nag-e-expand na siya or mag-shrink siya or mag-break siya. So mahogany door is very high quality and napakatibay. And it also has a double locking system. So you will be installed as well with CCTV camera, exterior and interior. So for Celestina, may tatlong CCTV camera na included. So you can have it fixed inside of the home, by your carport, and outside of the entrance para safe kayo. And you know what's going around your perimeter. Okay, pasok po tayo. Ayan. Welcome sa napakalaki at napakaganda niyong bahay. Yan. So
Wow.
this is the wow factor of Celestina, this grand window. And you can choose your own chandelier that will hang down your living area. Yan. So the cove ceiling is already included with the pin lights, and because we really give importance to the taste of our clients, kayo rin po ang magpapa-modify. So, inclusive na yung 60 by 60 granite tiles for the floors, pero pipili kayo ng design within the cost. Okay, so dito, around this is the living area. It's quite spacious, and also, here would be a place for your TV. Or pwede rin kayong magpalagay ng projector since it's a really big widescreen. Pwede kayong magkaroon ng movie nights dito. It will be great. And one of the things that are, it's already inclusive is the internet and cable ready na rin po siya. Okay. So, just to maximize the space, meron din po tayong nilagay na default na storage area here. But since it's modifiable, kung gusto nyo mas malaki, you can have it bigger as well. Ayan. Okay, so let me take you to the kitchen. Ayan. This would be the heart of the house. So what's good about this kitchen is it's already inclusive of all this hard marine plywood kind of cabinets. Napakatibay po. This is the best kind of cabinet for the kitchen because it is heat resistant and moist resistant as well. So it's also not breaking. Napakatibay po niya. And also, so pina-modify niya that the client will have the built-in gas range here and the exhaust here. And this will also be inclusive of the fire extinguisher and the smoke detector na din para very safe tayo sa ating kitchen. Meron na rin po tayong stainless double sink with movable faucet, and of course, a sliding window here para maaliwalas habang naghuhugas kayo ng pinggan. O, di ba mga moms? Okay, so meron din po sila na pinalagay dito na breakfast counter. So it's really nice. You can have this like a bar or a preparation table. You wanted to have it a bit smaller po. Pero this one would be nice as a breakfast counter. Meron po siya kasing parang drop panel na nilagay dito. So you can also install some pin lights there. Would be nice. Hanging pin lights there. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng stools. Okay? So kung ayaw nyo nang maglagay sa formal dining, you can eat here quickly para sa mga bata. Okay. So ito naman po is ang dining area natin. Okay. So it's square size. Pwede nyo gawin more rectangular or elongated. Very customizable yung floor plan na pwedeng gustuhin ninyo. So, you will have a discussion with the architect for that. Okay, so, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na exit to the lanai area. So, when you're having outdoor parties, pwede kayong magkaroon ng indoor-outdoor alfresco feel, di ba? Habang nagda-dining kayo dito, na-enjoy nyo yung hangin na pumapasok sa inyong bahay. Wow, ang ganda talaga ng weather. I love it. Okay, so this is the access door sa labas. And by the way, this is also mahogany door. So napakatibay po. For all doors is mahogany door. Okay, so let me take you as well to the other rooms in this house. Okay, so since we have 5 bedrooms, meron po tayong isa pang room dito. However, it is locked accidentally, so sorry about that. But this can be the guest bedroom. Okay, so if you even have elderly parents that's staying here, no, it is also convenient and quite good for them na dito na lang sila sa first floor. Okay, so dito po tayo. If we can come here, this is also part of the modifiable na pinili ng client. So, I think this will be for his small office right there. Kasi they also have the internet connection and the cable connection here ready. And perhaps, or this can be a gaming room or something like that. Okay. So, syempre, meron na rin siyang windows para pumasok na rin yung ventilation. So, tawagan niyo po ako kasi meron pong free tayo na split type air condition. So, isasama po natin yun sa package ninyo. Okay. Ready na po ba tayo tumingin sa second floor? Tara! Yes! Okay. Ayan. So, napakaganda rin ng staircase nila. We have here a wooden handle which is already varnished. And we have the tubular railings on the side with clear, transparent glass. And yung floorboards nila is really good quality of wood. And concrete, syempre yan sa ilalim. So, buhos po talaga siya. Hindi siya not cheap materials. Very sturdy and long-lasting materials. Okay? Akyat po tayo. So, isang swipe through lang to see the grandness of the high ceiling. Yan. Magandang rito, vocalization. Okay, meron po tayo rito wooden tiles on the second floor to give this cozy, homey feeling. Okay, so punta tayo sa ating master's bedroom. Alright. So again, mahogany door for all of the rooms, and there is already a provision for the cabinets. Okay, so quite big na rin po yung cabinets niya with drawers. So damit na lang ang ilalagay ninyo. Pasok po tayo. Ayan. So this is the master's bedroom. It is quite spacious. Pwede pong magkasya ang California King. And of course, dito siya mailalagay since the client placed the 2 windows on the side. So we also have socket right here. So if they can put a standing lamp or a table lamp on either side. And they also opted to have an awning window. Ayan. Para pumasok pa din talaga yung hangin sa loob. Okay. And before I go to the balcony, I'm going to take you to the master's toilet and bath. Alright. So again, it's mahogany door. And you can see the tiles here are from the floor to the ceiling. So the 60 by 60 tiles again. Napakaganda granite tiles. And meron din po siyang feature wall. So the client really liked a very dainty look kasi white talaga yung pinili niya. So inclusive na rin siya ng toilet bidet, hot shower, rain shower, and meron din po tayong telephone shower. And of course, the faucet right here. So meron din po tayong toiletries rack right here and yung ating awning window din sa banyo para pumasok din ng fresh air right here. Okay. So, yan ang master's toilet and bath. So dito tayo sa balcony. Okay. Maganda dito sa balcony is you can have your balcony extended if you want para magkaroon din po ng cover yung ating front yard if that's what you prefer. So, ayan. This is also quite nice as well for early morning breathing exercises. Pwede kayo mag-stretching, maglagay kayo ng mat dyan, or kaya dito kayo magkape-kape, mag-usap-usap ni hubby, ni wifey, ayan, to pray together. Napaka-gandang gawin yon in the morning to also get that sunshine as well. Ayan, so let's go to see the other rooms of the house. Okay, so this is the bedroom number 4 na. Okay, so this is the other room. It is also very spacious. Pwedeng actually dito queen size bed, very comfortable, and meron pa rin po kayong space, of course, for a small side table or study table para sa mga anak. And then we have 2 sliding windows, and of course, yan. So fixed or movable cabinet for this one. So, mas magandang i-movable nyo na, no? So, you can have it arranged according to your liking. Meron na rin po siya smoke detector alarm for all the rooms in the second floor. So, our client opted to have the cove ceiling. And of course, the spin lights are already available as well. So, punta po tayo sa kabilang room. So this is the third room in the second floor. Ayan. Another spacious room. And of course, same din features niya. And you can have a double bed here and also another side table. Fixed and movable cabinets and cove ceiling with the pin lights as well. And meron na rin po siyang smoke detector alarm. Wala na rin po kayong problemahin sa electric connection kasi sagot na ang ating DSMC to take care of that. So even if you're abroad, wala na kayong problemahin, uuwi na kayo, meron na kayong ilaw, meron na kayong tubig. Okay, so let's go to the common toilet and bath. This one, right? Ayan. Of course, the common toilet and bath is same elements as the one in the master's toilet and bath, pero it's really quite big as well. Ayan, so napakaganda. I like the choice of the client. Alright. So, maganda rin po sa atin is you are going to save a lot when it comes to the financing kasi free yung bank charges po with our developer. We have several financial institutions, banks that we are affiliated with. So you can save a lot, hundreds and thousands of money from all of the bank charges na matitipid po ninyo. Okay, so dito po tayo. Puposing po muna ako rito kasi just to admire the view as well on the outside. Okay, baba po tayo. Ayan. Okay. Para naman po sa mga busy na nagtatrabaho, na wala na rin pong oras na mag-isip pa ng mga hassle na ganyan when it comes to mga paperwork. So we also offer a hassle-free transactions wherein our developer DSMC will already take care of the building permits, transfer title to buyer, and all of that, and the free bank charges, loan application, tutulungan po namin kayo from start to finish. So wala na po kayong dapat alalahanin. You will come here na lang with your stuff and then ready na po lahat. Water and electric is already connected. So napakaganda, even for OFWs, talagang makakahinga kayo at peace because our company, DSMC, are also very closely coordinating with all of the contractors. And syempre, habang pinapagawa yung bahay ninyo, meron kayong update, ano na yung mga progress ng pagpapatayo. So, and if this is something that you really want your family to have, the hard work that you've been really grinding for, to have this house for your family and your loved ones, do give me a call. I am here to serve you po. My name is Aina Carion once again, and I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Thank you and goodbye.